Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to show you how to set or schedule a meeting on your Zoom meetings. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to go about doing that. It's very easy, so stay tuned. So let's dive in right now. All right, let me share my screen here. So first, what we need to do is, if you're trying to schedule a meeting, you have to create an account. There's no other way around it. So you need to get set up with an account. It's very easy. It's free. Obviously, there's limitations with the free account, but let's dive into once you have that account set up. So you can download the app after you sign up, and you're going to have an app that looks like this. As you can see, I'm signed in. And also I can do new meetings, I can join a meeting, I can schedule a meeting. So if you want to just do an impromptu meeting like right now, all you need to do is just click this new meeting. It's going to launch the Zoom meeting, and you can join with computer audio, or you can join via a dialer or dialing in with these phone numbers. I always find it easier to just use a wired or wireless headset, and that's what we provide. That's what we've been doing for the last 20 years. So I always recommend a professional grade wireless headset. That's even how my voice is being recorded on this video through the computer. So you're going to get that excellent sound quality versus just some other, if you use your built-in microphone or some other, headset, just off-the-shelf headset, or even I did a review of the AirPods connecting to your computer. It was not a good audio experience, so definitely highly recommend it. I'll put a comment, I'll put a link in the comments below of our best headsets for Zoom. There's optimized headsets that work great, like the one I'm wearing. So check that out in the comments below. So join with computer audio, and then you have options. Do you want to start with your video, what kind of audio options here? But once you're in the meeting, to add participants, you can use this invite key right here. So it's on participants, a little up arrow, invite. So you can do via email, or if you have contacts in your Zoom system, you can do that. What I typically do is just use the copy invite link. And that's for most people can get the job done with this link. So if I copy this link, let me just paste it in there. This is what that looks like. And if you share that link with somebody via email, you could text it to them. Anyway, they click it and they're able to join your meeting with this link there. Now, if you do the full invitation, and I'll show you what that looks like. It's going to look like this. So it's going to still have that same link, but then it's also going to have additional details on how somebody can join the link. So if somebody needs to join via phone number because they don't have a headset or they don't have any audio devices, then this will give them the information to call in on their mobile phone. So those are two ways to get somebody to join your meeting after you started hosting it. Okay, so let me go back here. Let me end this meeting. Okay, so let's say that you don't need to do an impromptu meeting. Let's say you want to schedule a meeting. All you have to do is hit this schedule button, and let's just schedule it for at 10 o'clock. That's 12 minutes ago. So it's going to be a 1-hour meeting. We're going to generate automatically. This is going to give you a unique meeting ID. So it's not going to be your general meeting ID number here. Okay. And then this is the passcode setup that it requires a passcode in order to get in. That's to keep it more secure. Then you have options of, do you want to leave create a waiting room so that people have to wait there before they can get in? And then other settings that you prefer. Do you want only computer audio, or do you want both telephone and computer audio? and then what kind of calendar invite do you want to do. So if you use Microsoft or whoever you're talking to has Outlook, or if they have Google, in my case we have Google, so I'll use that. I'll save. And then I have my Google account that I'm logging in here, and then I'm allowing Zoom access to my Google account so it can get on the calendar. And then I just click save. Now you're looking at my meetings here. And as you see, this one that we just scheduled, it has the link for when to join and how to join. It will also be emailed to whoever you added to that meeting. But I could also edit this event, and I could add, let's say I want to add my brother Drew on here, or maybe you want to get somebody outside of your network. You just put in their email there, then click save, and then you would go ahead and hit send. I'm sure my brother Drew will be confused on that, but so this is what it looks like. And then when you're ready to join the meeting, you just simply click this link, and that's what's going to launch this meeting to get going here. So then you join with computer. Now we're in that specific meeting room with that unique link, so nobody is going to join in on your meeting unless you use your standard meeting ID. Okay, so it's very simple, simple and easy to set up a Zoom meeting. Just like the two methods I showed you, the meeting link or just doing a live link and sharing that link. But let me show you how to join a meeting. Let's say you don't have an account. What you can do here is, as the person who's hosting it, you can get their either that link URL that I showed you, or you can just get their personal meeting ID. So if I copy that ID, and we go to Zoom's website and we click join a meeting, I can use that ID here and I can just click join, and then I'll hit open Zoom meetings, and it's going to go ahead and launch you into the meeting. I'm already logged into my personal account, so it knows that, but that's ultimately how you join it. Otherwise, you can do it via the link that I showed you right here. If you do participants up arrow, invite, copy link invite. So you can just have the host share this link with you, and as soon as you click that link, it's going to join you in to the conference like I've seen here. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel, as we are constantly putting out content like this, new headset related content, comparisons, all of that. Subscribe so you can be informed and get this free information for you. I appreciate you tuning in today, and also I'm going to put the link of the top headsets for Zoom video conferences in the description below. Hope you find that helpful. That's all I have for you for now, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks a lot for tuning in.